YouTube friends, this is Anna Lee again. A simple fix on my curtain rods. I bought 3 of these. They were on sale, which I love sales. I think everybody does. So I went to go put this curtain rod up, and it ended up being too short right there in the middle. And in fact, it sagged real bad, and we can't have that. Now I love this curtain rod because it has very good supports, and you can screw them in at the bottom there that really holds it into place. Okay, well here's the short rod, and we'll put it in here, and you can see how short it is. It actually fits all the way in there. Well, I was actually about 3 inches too short, and also didn't support the middle. So my fix was, I went to Lowe's and got a very long dowel. And you can see the difference when I put this dowel in to how long this dowel actually is. Now I've already fixed the one up here at the top, and it is really working very, very well. So that's my easy, simple fix for curtain rods that are too short. Of course, I took them down and spray painted them. I got like 3 different coats of paint. I started out with a light brown, a darker brown, and then just barely sprayed a little black to it, which blended in real, real well. And also, I went and sprayed the ends with just a tad bit of black. I don't know if you can see, but it just accents a lot. Plus, they were up in the attic, and being up in the attic, they got scarred up. This is what it was before, a lighter brown. Like I said, they got scarred up in the attic, so just a tad bit of black added to it sure made a difference. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Till later. Bye.